G'day guys, Scotty here from the Hook and the Ccok, and welcome back to our channel. Well, today we're heading down the south coast to have a shot for some snapper. I've had some great reports, so fingers crossed we get amongst them. I'm going to be joined by two mates today, Benson and Gary Brown, and we're going to be trying a bit of slow jigging, and we're going to work some baits as well. So it should be a good day. The weather's shaped up fantastic. Now guys, if you haven't tuned into our channel before, please subscribe and hit that bell notification so you know when we post our next video. And leave me a comment down below and let me know what you want to see in our next videos. And guys, check out my other channel, Scotty's Fishing Life. Something a little bit different that I think you'll really enjoy. Anyway, my mate Glenn has just arrived. He's over here. He's just pulled up. Morning Glenn.
Morning.
How we going?
All right.
That's good.
Are you excited?
Should be good, mate. Should be good.
It's been a great day.
Fantastic day. Gary's going to meet us down the boat ramp.
Oh, good.
Yeah,
Excellent.
so it should be a bit of fun.
That should make for a fun day. It should do.
Well, boys, a beautiful day down here at Port Hacking. Good this morning. Morning,
Yes.
Gary Brown. How are you?
Scott, good mate.
It's good. Glenn, looking forward to a good day.
Jeez, yeah.
Should be nice.
Yeah.
I think the last time you came out, you got some good flattered, I think.
Oh, we did, didn't we?
Did we?
I think I whooped your ass too.
I think you did.
Biggest of the day and the most.
Anyway, we'll see the results are today. Okay, we've made it down the coast. We're just off the Seacliff Bridge. Stanwell Tops is just back over there. It's nice conditions down here, a little breezy, but not too bad. What are you starting off with, Glenn?
I think 5, I think.
5? You're gonna
Yeah.
a vibe. We didn't bring any vibes, so you're out of luck.
Oh.
Maybe a slow jig.
Slow jig.
Slow jig. There you go. One of them. Gary.
Pilchard.
Pilchard. Gary's going bait. So it looks like Glenn and I are going to challenge Gary on the slow jigs. Now, you want to just hold the camera for a sec, Glenn? I'll just show everyone the jigs we're using. So I got these yesterday down at BCF. A little assortment of some jigs we're going to be using, the primal jigs. Some different ones and some smaller ones. Got some smaller ones as well, so I'll give them a fly. See how they go. Haven't used these before, so yeah, it'd be interesting to see if we can catch a few fish on them today. I've got the idea watching a few videos on YouTube, and so it looks quite interesting, and I've spoken to a lot of people on how to use them, so fingers crossed we get a few fish. Now Glenn, pick a colour. What would you like?
Oh, any colour.
Any colour?
Any colour. It's the colour that catches the fisherman, isn't it?
Let's go blue. We'll start off with a blue and maybe a white, like 2 different colours. We'll start off with them and then we can mix it up and see how we go. Now the weights I've got some 60 gram ones and I've got some 35 gram ones. Okay, first fish of the day. Gary's away.
Not much.
The bait fisherman.
Bait fisherman. Yep. It's not much.
Pretty windy out here today. Sorry about the noise, guys, if there is a bit of wind noise. Probably only blowing at 10 knots, but as everyone knows with the camera, here it comes. That's the right one. It's just a little fella. A little snapper. Okay, Glenn's now got a fish on down the back. He's swapped to the dark side. He's gone to bait.
Given up.
He's given up on the...
Given up idea.
He used a flutter jig for about 5 minutes. Or maybe a little bit longer. We'll give him that, won't we, Gary?
Yeah.
Good enough, Gary catching all the fish, so.
Yeah, Gary's really doing well. He's caught 2 little fish. Glenn's called this for a snapper. Let's see if he's right. Not seeing many head shakes there. Oh, yeah, a little bit of knock-knock there. The colour, here it comes. A beautiful leather jacket. It's a funny looking snapper.
Gonna call that for something.
Eh?
Worse, eh?
That's all right. That's a
leather jacket.
good bit of eating.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. So these are our little jigs, guys. The rod I'm using today is the new Jewel from Shimano, 4 to 8 kilo. And I've got a beautiful Van Ford reel on there, spooled up with 10 kilo braid. And I've got a 20 pound fluorocarbon trace down on my jig. Simple method working these jigs. Just let them go right to the bottom. Then once they're on the bottom, just a slow lift, let it flutter back down. A couple of lifts, let it flutter back down. Really simple method. Glenn's just come up solid on a pretty good fish. Feels all right?
Yeah, feels good.
Bait seems to be doing the trick today, boys. Leave Glenn with it for a sec. I'll just show you the nice snapper that Gary just got. There he is. Good looking fish. Nice fish, Gary.
Yes, mate. Yeah, I think Glenn got a good one on here.
Yeah, we'll go back to Glenn now and see how he's going. The colour down there now. What's he got?
Lovely.
Nice moe. Hey.
Different species there.
Yeah, nice moe. Well done.
Scotty's using a jig. He's finally hooked up to something. We don't know what it is. We'll find out. What do you call it for? A Sergeant Baker?
Baker, I think. I could be wrong.
We'll see if he's as good as what Glenn was. With his snapper, which turned into a leather jacket on the way up.
Hey. Oh, you got ready. Exciting.
Sergeant Baker.
That's what I thought it'd be. Big Baker on the jig. Here we go. Purple did it, Gary.
Purple jig. Well,
Yeah,
nice
looks
mess.
like I've caught Glenn as well.
Yeah.
Well, that was a fun day out the water. You boys enjoy yourselves?
Great day.
Great day.
Great weather.
No snapper on the jigs, but I did manage to get a Sergeant Baker, so anyway, the fish is a fish. Guys, tune in next week for another fantastic clip on the Hook and the Cook, and please subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you on the water real soon. Cheers.